Good morning, students. This is my first video after class test 1. This video contains the contents of chapter 3, various peripheral devices of computer of unit 3.
Now students, we will be discussing parts of computer system. First one is computer system. Second I will be discussing the three units of computer system, that is inputs, CPU and output unit. Third one, input device with example. Fourth one, central processing unit. Fifth, output device with examples, and the last one, ports. Now, computer system. A computer system is a programmable machine designed to store and retrieve informations and perform arithmetic and logical operations to produce meaningful result in desired format. It consists of three main units: input, process and output units. In desktop computers, all three units are separate devices. A keyboard, which is the input unit, a box with the central processing unit, which is the processing unit, a monitor, which is the output unit. Now, the three units of computer system. First one, input unit. Input unit, which helps the user to enter raw data and instruction into the computer system. Various input devices like keyboard, mouse, OCR, mic, joystick, etc. Central processing unit. Central processing unit performs the required operations as per given instruction. Third one, output unit. Output unit produces meaningful results in the desired format for the user. Examples, you can say monitor, speakers, printer, etc. Now, different parts of the computer performs different functions that we will see one by one. First one, input device. An input device is used to enter information into the computer. You can see, first one is the keyboard. It is the most common input device which is used to input data in the form of text. Next one is the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device used with a graphical interface to click on the icons on the screen or monitor. Next one you can see microphone. It is used to record voice on computer. It converts sound into an electronic signal. Next, scanner. It is a device that scans, captures a paper, image, documents and converts it to digital file on computer. Next one is the barcode reader. You can see the diagram. Figure you can see it. It is used to scan information from product labels such as price for billing. Next one is wave camera. It is used for video conferencing using applications like Skype, for security surveillance at malls, ATMs, etc. Most laptops have built-in wave cam these days. Next one, joystick. It is commonly used for playing video games as a control device in the cockpit of aeroplanes. Next one is central processing unit. Central processing unit processes information received from the keyboard and gives the output to the monitor or the printer. There are three main parts of CPU. You can see in the figure First one is the ALU, next one is the control unit, and next one is the memory unit. Now, arithmetic logic unit. It acts as an accountant of a company and performs all the mathematical and logical calculations. Second one is your memory unit. It acts as the storage room of a company where data is stored temporarily as well as for a long time. That is either in RAM, you can say, or ROM. Third one is control unit. It acts like a receiver and a manager of a company. It receives input from user and controls different parts to do the operations required. Now, next part is output device with examples. Output device are hardware equipments used to display the results of data processing carried out by the CPU of a computer. First one, monitor. It displays all the visual output that CPU produces after processing the input. Second, speaker. It displays back all the sound based output. Third, projector. It is used to project images or video from computer on a large flat screen. Next, printer. It helps to print out the visual output on the paper as displayed on the monitor. Now the next part is ports. You can see the figure. Let me increase the size. Now, you see, first one is serial port, connecting external modems and computer mouse, which are of the old models. Next one, parallel port, you can see it, connecting scanners and printer. Next, PS2 ports, connecting old computers keyboard and mouse. USB ports, connecting all types of external USB devices, external hard disk, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, joystick, etc. Next one, modem port. You can see the modem port, connecting the modem to the telephone network. Next one is firewall port, connecting camcorders and video equipments. Now the next one is Ethernet port, connecting to a network and high-speed internet using a modem, router, projector, etc. Now, other more topics are there that you already knowing.